What's going on, guys? Welcome to this very second tutorial of my channel. It's about HTML and CSS. So in this tutorial we are gonna study, or you can say I'm gonna show you that how can a header work in a web page. So let's start. But before that, make sure you guys like my video and subscribe my channel and comment how will my video looks. So let's go about header. The tags for header is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. As the number after h increases, the size of a header decreases. So what we have to do is go for h1, use the header 1, and between these tags we'll have to write. I'll write it. This is the header. So I just told you that as we increase the number, the size of a header decreases. So for the demo we will take 3 headers, that h1 h2 h3. So for h2 we will take, this is the second header, this is the so I know both that spelling just are wrong, so please forgive that mistake. I don't wanna spend much time for that. And the header 3 will be, this is the I got a message. So this is the third header. So guys, what we have to do now is just save by a shortcut, that is Ctrl S, then go for Chrome, and just we need to refresh the program. So what we have, the difference between 3 headers. So h1 a little bit, you can say a little bit, not a little bit, it's biggest header on a web page. The h2, which is a lot of mistakes, that is this there. So this is a little bit smaller than h1, and h3 is a little bit smaller than both of those. So as you increase the number after h, the size of a header decreases. That is the header proof. So another thing we are going to do is how to change the font style to italic. To change the font style to italic, what you have to do is go for em. These tags are for changing font style to italic. So let's enter as the suggestion is given below. So what you have to do is just cut it, because I'm too lazy, I don't want to do that. So and paste this. Now I will save it, I'll tab, and now just hit. As you can see, the difference between the italic font and the normal font. This is the font which is normally, and this is the font which is italic. So if you wanna do it, then go for these two tags called em. Now I will show you that how to make your header bold. You will have to wait till next tutorial. I will tell this, or you can say reveal this in the next tutorial. So please wait for the next video. My next video will come soon, because I'm posting my videos every day. So just check out my channel, like my video, subscribe my channel, and just comment how my video was in the comment section below. Bye bye, see you soon, have a nice day.